Good evening, YouTubers. This video is mostly about a vote. As you can see, I got several projects here, and they're all numbered. This was supposed to be my portable power supply, but this guy here has 3 capacitors burnt on it. So I'm not going to bother changing that. And it leaves this guy. So, and then there's my battery spot welder that normally you can buy on AliExpress, Amazon, any of those guys. I got a BMS here for a 16 volt battery supply. One of these little solenoid latches. That's another project coming up. I can do an easy voltmeter that would be in line with this. I got a Bluetooth radio with a SD card, it's micro SD, USB, and line in. I took off the buttons because they would be put into a different unit. Then I could have a laser diode here. I could do something with that. I'm open to suggestions. Battery controller, discharge charge controller. Got my karaoke amplifier here that I could build something into it. And then I got my Cobb LED light that works on 120 volts. I have to find a way to add this fan to this light with its heatsink. And then finally, if ever I needed to, I have, as you can see, USB-C connectors, and LED 9 corner pieces that I just can solder for LEDs. At the same time, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'll drop it down a bit. There we go, and move it over. There we go. As for my radio that's above my head right now, live and neutral coming in, 120 volt AC to 12 volt DC 25 amp converter that goes out to an extra socket for wherever I need it, and to the car stereo system that has Bluetooth, DVD, hands-free, and MP3, but the touchscreen is broken, and it was given to me like that. So if anybody knows anything that I can get replacement parts for, please let me know in the comments. And as you can see, my front and right side speakers are connected, but the back and left and right are going out to a terminal. As for my power supply, I got my PC power supply coming in, going out to this little guy right here. Then I got my extra wires that are just hanging there, going to a switch, bringing out to my 12 volt light, which is right overhead. Then it's going out to my voltmeter with the boost converter. It's kind of flickering in the screen right now, but I bring this up to whatever voltage I want, and it shows me my voltage and my amps. And the only way I can turn this guy off is by pulling this USB wire and now I'm connecting it. Then it's going out to my probes, which is this guy here underneath and this guy here. And eventually I will have another power supply for each bench that will be going into, I don't know, let's say my workplace. I need an extra bench to test appliances or TVs, whatever. I have my bench. Then I'll make another one for a shed, or as I said, a portable. And I will be making one that will be 12 volt supplied or 16 volt supplied, and then it will bring me my 120 volt out using a conventional converter, and then from there we will be able to power other supplies. But yeah, that is it for now. I hope you like. If you do, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Talk to you guys later, and I hope you have a great night. So, bye-bye.